Okay, you want to group your items by color and shape and texture. So here I've created a whole series of things in groups of 6. So I have either 6 or 12 of each item. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these items now and see what I can make. So I'm gonna move this off camera and just get started. So we're working with 6. We want to create symmetry and balance as much as possible. So I've got, let's put the big one in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that works out. Okay, then I've got some green things. These are all things that we found outside. Took a really nice walk. It was a beautiful morning. Sun was shining today, and I was just gathering items that I thought looked interesting and nice. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Ooh, now I've got some red things. I'm gonna go ahead and put these here. I'm layering on top of items. These are little berries. These are all things that I just kind of found growing along the edge of the road. So you're gonna have to find an adult to go out on a walk with you. Get out and enjoy nature. We'll stand a little bit apart from each other. Oh, how about some stones? Let's put a little bit of that in there. Ooh. Another item, another green thing. Found some red sticks. And some little willow tree buds. And these, I've got 12 of these. I think I can go one on either side. Go 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, and so on. And put a little fluffy piece of hydrangea right in the middle. Get a little bigger piece right there. Maybe another stick. And there we have it. Nature's radial design. Radial symmetry, matching on top, bottom, side, side. 6 things on the top, or 12. Just use an even number, that's okay. And just find something outdoors. You can do this on the driveway. It got a little windy this afternoon, so I took it inside.